Boxers, according to Coach Roland Chavez, the strongest delegation in the Olympics, powered by 3 medalists of Tokyo Olympics now. How, and as well as these boxers train for 1 month at the Colorado Spring Training Camp. So now, how would you assist the challenges of these boxers? Can they realize their dream, bring the gold medal at the time the Philippines celebrating its 100 years in the Olympic Games?
That's everyone's hope, diba? For us to be able to finally get that elusive gold medal. No? So, syempre lahat tayo gusto yun. And lahat din kami gusto yun. No? So, and yun yung pinaghihirapan, yun yung pinagtatrabahuan. Isa yan sa, kumbaga, lighthouse or North Star ng ating team, no? Because we really want to get there. No? But obviously, the goal is not completely under our control. What's completely under our control is the preparation, or the preparation, our own performances, how we take care of our bodies, how we support their well-being. So yun yung dun kami naka-focus. And yung gold medal will just be a natural byproduct of all the hard work and the efforts na pinagsama-sama ng mga nasa team, boxers, coaches, support staff, officials, sponsors, everyone, no? So ganun namin siya na-approach. But yes, just like everyone, we want to get there. We want to finish at the top of the podium. Di ba? Gusto nating maramdaman yun kasi grabe yung potential impact nun sa buong bansa, di ba? And sa mga buhay na rin nila at sa mga pamilya nila, di ba? But yes, we want to get that, but we are more focused on the steps on how we're gonna get there. So ganun naman namin siya in-approach. And yeah, there's a lot of pressure, definitely, expectations, no? And then I think at this point we have embraced that. We have acknowledge that it's part of what we do, di ba? Na kakambal na natin yan, kasama na yan sa ginagawa natin. And hindi naman ito yung first time na they've been under pressure. Pressure builds diamonds, ika nga, di ba? And that's what we're hoping to happen also this time. So sana, yun yung hope natin.
Maraming salamat po this early. Congratulations. We're so proud of you. Final message, pangako sa ating buong bayan, Ira Villegas, please.
Hindi po ako mangangako, pero gagawin po namin lahat ng makakaya namin po to bring medals po. And sa lahat po ng kabayan namin is supportahan niyo po kami at ipagdasal po sa nalalapit po na Paris Olympic po. Ayun po.
Yes. Henry J.
Ayun, ito na, final na itong lalo na sa akin, syempre sa mga tripo ko dyan sa Kalinga, na umaasa din syempre na mag-medal din ako doon sa Well, ayun nga, first time kong mag-Olympic, so bakit ko pa sasayangin yung pagkakataon na yun? Buhos ko na. And yun nga, tulad nga sabi ni Ira, di ko man may pangako magpamedal, pero pipilitin ko yung sarili ko para makuha ko yun.
Yes, mabuhay ka. Nesty.
Yun po, bago po ako magsabi po ng salubin ko, gusto kong pasalamatan ng suporta ng PSC, POC, MPPSF, Philippine Coast Guard, and Aba family, my coaches po, teammates. Sila yung mga teammates ko lalaki, yung mga kasparing partner po namin. Sobrang laking tulong nila sa akin. Of course, pasalamatan ko ang pamilya ko. And yun nga, ito na, my second time around sa Olympics. Never naman po ako nangako since sa every time na ini-interview niyo ako. Lagi ko lang po sinasabing, abangan niyo ako sa laro. Abangan niyo ako sa laro.
Ganun po. Aabangan natin si Nesty Pitesio sa Paris Olympics. Coach Ronald Chavez, please. Short message.
Sana ipagdasal natin ang mga atleta natin, hindi lang boxing, ibang mga sports pa na lalahok sa Paris Olympic. Yan nga, sinasabi ko na hindi po kami nagbibigay ng mga kulay na medalya, pero sinasabi ko to dahil malakas ang loob ko ngayon dahil malaki ang kumpiyansa ko sa 5 boksingero na dala natin. So, magkita-kita lang tayo sa Paris.
Okay.
Thank you.
Coach Ray, thank you.
Masabi ko na kanina yung sinabi ko.
Ulit na lang. Take 2.
Well, yun lang sabi ko una-una, salamat muna kami sa mga sumusuporta na sa boss, sa PC,
Yes.
Boss Pacman, sa MVP, sa lahat ng mga supportermen, sa ABA, maraming salamat at sa inyo rin, sa mga supporter nyo. Well, sa akin naman na prediction naman natin sa mga boxers namin. Well, nakikita naman natin, more experienced yung mga, yung especially yung tatlo na mga experienced. So, but yun nga sabi ng mga boxers namin, hindi kami makapagbigay ng kulay, pero magpo-produce kami ng medalya.
Yes.
And makukuha namin yan sa mga suporta ninyo, sa lahat-lahat, dasal. Yun lang po kayo nangyayari namin. Maraming
Thank
salamat
you.
po.
And yes, Coach Don, your own message to all the Filipinos who are counting on the Philippine boxing team come the Paris Olympic Games.
Well, I'm sure that the coaches will put everything possible into all the athletes to bring back that elusive gold in Paris.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Second, Marcos Manalo on behalf of ABAP, please.
Yes, again, maraming salamat po sa Philippine Sports Writers Association for this opportunity to be in front of you at ma-share din ng mga boxers and coaches, no, yung kanilang experience, and pinapasalamatan din namin ang Philippine Sports Commission, no. Again, all throughout, they provided great support sa ABAP and also yung MVP Sports Foundation, again, who has been there also throughout the Olympic cycle. No? So, yeah, we're hoping na you'll be supporting us all the way. No? Pasensya na rin kung hindi lahat din ma-accommodate yung mga request minsan. No? But yun, we value also the work that you do, mga sports writers, kasi yun yung way rin ng mga boxers to kumbaga share their stories to a wider audience, to a wider platform. Kasi yun yung yun yung isang reason kung bakit pinupuntuhan itong mga to, kasi kailangan makapaganda tayo, malaking bagay yung platform nila to be able to uplift yung and to positively influence and inspire the Filipino nation. No? Sabi ko nga, yung mga times na kung mapansin nyo kanina, lahat sila halos susuko na, di ba? Grabe yung mga doubts na na-experience, no? Pero they push through it, di ba? Tumaya rin sila sa sarili nila, di ba? Kahit merong doubt, ginawa pa rin nila. Diba? Kahit merong pressure, ginawa pa rin nila, bumangon pa rin, nag-training pa rin. So, yun yung mensahe na maganda rin maikalat sa mga tao na yes, life is not easy, diba? Just like competition, just like the sport that they do, diba? Hindi madali yung buhay, pero diba? You can acknowledge all the pleasant, the unpleasant, the pressure, the expectations, the doubts, the difficulties, the struggles, no? But kung meron kang lighthouse, kung meron kang North Star, kung meron kang gustong marating, kung meron kang gustong maging, you can put one foot in front of the other and just keep moving forward. So hopefully that will end in di ba, yung inaasam-asam natin in Paris. So until then, yeah, we're just gonna keep moving forward, we're gonna keep getting better, and again, salamat sa suporta ninyo. Hope you'll be there along the way para sa mga boxers.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat, Philippine Team Boxing. Nasa inyo ang dasal at suporta ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Until next time here on Philippine Sports Forum, great day everyone.